everyone. Welcome back to the channel, where we break down stock market movements and business news in simple English. Let's quickly jump into today's biggest updates, covering the market action, earnings reports, government policies, and some major global news you shouldn't miss. Before we jump into today's video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends if you find it useful. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and meant to keep you updated on stock market news and daily developments. I'm not a SEBI registered advisor or research analyst, so please consult a certified financial advisor before making any buying, selling, or holding decisions. Also, don't forget to join our free Telegram channel for more real-time updates on the stock market. Now let's begin with today's big highlights. Let's begin with how the market moved today. Nifty opened lower at 25,255, almost 100 points down, and climbed briefly to 25,322. But then, it reversed sharply. It hit a low of 25,130, stayed flat for the rest of the session, and finally closed at 25,149, down 0.81%, almost near the day's lowest point. This clearly shows ongoing weakness in market sentiment. What dragged the market? Two big reasons. 1. TCS Q1 results weren't very exciting. 2. And new US tariffs on Canadian imports brought fresh global trade worries. Investors stayed cautious due to weak global cues and are now waiting for major earnings results and economic data in the coming days. Market breadth and sector performances. Out of over 3,000 stocks traded, around 1,000 advanced, but nearly 1,900 declined. A clear negative breadth, and only 2 sectors ended in the green. 1. Pharma up 0.68%. 2. FMCG up 0.51%. On the flip side, 1. IT fell 1.78%. 2. Auto dropped 1.77%. 3. Media, realty, consumer durables, and energy also slipped. Trade deal update between India and US. India has now doubled its proposed retaliatory tariffs on US products at the WTO from $1.9 billion to $3.8 billion after the US hiked duties on steel and aluminium. Talks are still going on before 1st August deadline. Next update is from earnings highlights. 1. TCS posted a Q1 profit of 12,760 crore rupees, up 6%. Revenue rose to 63,437 crore rupees. They also announced an 11 rupee interim dividend. 2. Titan has reshuffled leadership. Ajoy Chawla will become MD in 2026. Jewelry and watch divisions also got new heads. 3. Irida's Q1 profit fell 36% due to rising expenses despite higher income. 4. Ola Electric will announce its Q1 results on 14th July with a detailed earnings call scheduled. Next is banking and financial news and updates. 1. SBI to meet on 16th July to discuss raising 25,000 crore rupees via QIP and bonds. 2. PNB Housing plans to issue 10,000 crore rupees worth NCDs. 3. Indian Overseas Bank got approval to raise 4,000 crore rupees for FY26. 4. MobiKwik Securities has received SEBI approval to start stock broking and clearing. Now from corporate announcements, updates are: 1. Reliance is moving its consumer brands to a new subsidiary ahead of its retail IPO. 2. Godrej Consumer forecasts double-digit revenue growth for Q1, boosting investor confidence. 3. PC Jeweler will raise 500 crore rupees to repay debt and aims to be debt-free by FY26. 4. Kinetic Green to launch 3 new e-scooters in 18 months, targeting the 40,000 crore rupees EV market. 5. Inox Clean Energy is preparing for a 6,000 crore rupees IPO to fund green energy projects. 6. Tata Steel infused $125 million into its global subsidiary to support expansion. And now, auto and real estate sector updates. 1. Used car sales are expected to grow 8 to 10% in FY26, reach 6 million units. Digital platforms and financing are boosting demand. 2. NHAI will auction 124 highway projects worth 3.4 lakh rupees crore across 6,376 kilometers in FY26. And lastly, global key highlights. 1. Crude oil prices crossed $67 amid summer demand, but oversupply remains a concern. 2. Gold prices rose due to safe haven demand and Trump's 35% tariff on Canadian imports. 3. Canada's unemployment rate fell unexpectedly to 6.9%, easing fears about economic slowdown. 4. Nestlé's HQ in France was raided over illegal filtering methods in bottled water. 5. Alibaba lost $100 billion in market value due to food delivery losses. 6. Google plans deep cloud discounts to win a US government contract. 7. Nissan may supply vehicles to Honda in the US. 8. Levi's raised its revenue guidance after strong global sales. 9. Goodyear's $650 million chemical unit sale got clearance in Brazil. 10. Drone stocks surged after US announced plans to ramp up drone manufacturing. That's it, friends. That's a wrap on today's key updates. Whether it's stock news, policy changes, or global trends, our mission is to keep you informed in plain and simple terms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And drop your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you. I'll be back with more insights soon. Till then, take care, trade smart, and stay informed.